This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. I am so beyond excited for today's video because I bought some shit and I want to unbox it. And this came yesterday and it took all my energy not to rip them open, but I wanted to save it for you. I know, I'm so sweet. Anyway, so funny story. I was searching the deep dark web, aka eBay, and I found this. Yep, I found this. So Pucky, my beloved child Pucky, was supposed to be coming out with a series last year, but it got scrapped and nobody talked about it. And they pretended as if it didn't exist. And that, of course, sent me in a tailspin. So I was like, oh my God, are they getting rid of Pucky? Are they killing Pucky? What are they doing to Pucky? From what I've gathered on the interwebs, it seems that the big old bad Beanie Baby company was very mad at this name because it's Beanie Flying Babies. But I guess that's too close for those Beanie Babies. And so immediately this kind of put the stop to this series, and I heard rumors that they were going to change them. They were going to change the names and shit, but like I haven't heard anything, and now they're releasing a new Pucky set, which I'm sure you'll see that before you see this one. Hi, fun fact. So I recorded this video in January. It's April. I told you I have a lot of unboxing videos. Anyway, so rumor has it, and I heard this on the deep dark web of TikTok, but apparently this series is coming back. However, it's not going to be called this because of the Beanie Baby people. It's going to be called something else, and it's probably going to be a different design. But who cares? Who cares? Because I got the originals. But I'm also going to get the other ones too, because listen, as a Pucky collector and enthusiast, anything Pucky I need to have. And I will stop at nothing. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye. I was on the dark web, aka eBay, and I saw that there was a seller on there that was selling a full set of these. And I was like, okay. And ironically enough, they were going to be less money than if I actually went to POP MART if this was live, which is I thought was kind of funny. They also had the secret. And I was like, well, since I'm here, I might as well. So I got the secret. Now, what normally happens, if you get a full set, it should come in its proper box. However, what they sent me was individual boxes. And that scares me because every time I get individual boxes that are supposed to be a set, it never works out in my favor. I always get duplicates. And I don't know the return policy. So here's hoping that we got all of them. The only one that I can confidently say what I know it's gonna be is this guy, because it has a little sticker on it. If you're not aware, if you go on POP MART, you have two options of like purchasing something. You could either just buy it as is, like buy the blind box, you could buy the full set, or you could test your luck and you can do the Pop Now feature, which essentially is, you know, gambling in real time. And you can buy a box or two and then you can open them up and then you'll know what you get. But when it gets shipped to you though, it has this beautiful yellow sticker here that shows you this is what you got, right? So it says that for the secret, which is great, but the other ones don't have that. So okay. So here's hoping that it's fine. Here's hoping that it's fine. But you know what? I'm going to, I want to open the secret first. We're going to open up the secret first. So, all right, let me show you. Here are all the options, right? Hopefully I could still find the graphic for this guy. Here are all the options. The secret is so fucking cute. So let's hope this is true. Let's hope this is true. Also, before I rip into this, yes, I did verify that these are real because there is like a little counterfeit little scratchy guy over here. You scan the QR code, you scratch off the code, and yes, I have confirmed that these are real, which makes me so happy. Because nothing would piss me off more if this shit was fake, okay? Anyway. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh, shut up. Okay, hold on. Oh my God, wait, I gotta rescue him. My soul left my body, okay? Oh my God. I fucking can't. Oh my God. Do you want to see a fat woman sob right now? I want to sob. Okay, but here's the kicker though. This is the cute part. And you would think with my misophonia that would be annoying, but bitch, it's not annoying. It is the cutest sound I've ever heard. Okay. This is so cute. Oh, bitch. Oh my God. Okay, wait, hold on. I'll show you again. Oh, he's crying. Oh, it also would have been nice if it like focused on that and not on my face the whole time. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Look how cute though. Look at his little ass. Oh my God, I can't. Oh my God, he's so cute. I really hope I got the whole set because I would be really sad. I mean, it's not a, no, I would be really sad. Oh, I love you. Okay, we're gonna put him down. And then of course, here's a little, oh, the card is so cute. There's the card, there's the back. Beanie Baby Company. Beanie Baby. Oh my God, you're gonna sit right there. I'm gonna call you Chad, okay? All right, now I have 6 boxes. Let's see if I got the rest of the set. Here's hoping. I think, ooh, what do I think this is gonna be? I think this is gonna be, I think it's gonna be Butterfly Baby. I think this is gonna be Butterfly Baby. Let's see. No! Seriously, it's just gonna be a video of me sobbing. Oh, it's a Cupid baby. So here's the card. Love the card. Look at that little babe. Oh my God. I really do hope that they bring these back because these are so, these are so cute. Labubu who? Are you kidding me? Oh. Oh my, I love you. That is so cute. I love Pucky. I really do. Like I think I'm just biased at this point. I don't think if Pucky came out shitting in a box, I'd be like, oh, that's the cutest thing I've ever seen. But that one's so cute. It's very light, very, very light pink. And I could see my mom trying to steal this, which I'm gonna have to like now chain this in my room so she doesn't steal it. But I feel like she'd probably be grabbing this one because this would be like, this matches my bag. And I'd be like, you bitch, you know? You're not having him. I don't care if you birth me out. You're not getting this Pucky. All right, let's see. I think this is gonna be Devil Baby, Devil Baby, Devil Baby. Now, fun fact, I do technically have 2 of them already, which I am gonna give to my mom, and it's the Devil Baby and the Bee Baby. And I don't know if you saw them, if you saw my video with Michelle Wong, where we just reviewed holiday snacks and stuff, I had a little plush pendant wall behind me, and I think they're in frame. I think they're in frame. That seller didn't have the full set, so this is a completely new seller. But I'm happy so far, so hopefully I'll be doing business with them soon again. But let's see which one this is. Oh no, it's the butterfly one, which listen, I hate butterflies because butterflies are fucking stupid. Actually, they just freak me out. Every time I see them, they try to land majestically on me, I scream, okay? But this is the cutest little one. Actually, no, there's another Pucky butterfly one that's also equally as cute. So now there's 2 cute butterflies. Who cares? Anyway, look how cute. Oh my God, look at him. I can't. His little face is like the sweetest little thing I've ever seen. Oh my God. All right, hold on. Doesn't get old. I like that he looks like a giant blueberry, you little fat shit. Okay, and then of course we have the card. Beautiful, love it. So far my luck is shit though. I'm not guessing at anything right. But to be fair, we got no duplicates so far, so that's good. All right, so let's see. This one's gonna be my dragon baby. I feel it in my bones. Dragon baby. Ah, no it's not! But this one is so cool. Pucky's a unicorn. I can't. Oh, your wings are all fucked up, sis. What happened? All right, hold on. Oh, he's a little cockeyed. The wings are a little cockeyed compared to like, you've been drinking a little, haven't you? All right, hold on. Oh, okay, I think I kind of, all right, I think I did it. All right, ooh. For a second, I was like, oh no, oh, no. But no, you're so cute. Oh my God, look at that little ass. I can't. It's so cute, his little fat little legs. Oh my God. Ugh. You wouldn't think this, but I am a sucker for things that are like tie-dyed and shit like that. And this doesn't disappoint. Kind of works perfectly with my little, is it Luck from the Labubu Monster Big Into Energy line? The tie-dye one, or like my tie-dye Mickey Head in the Clouds one. Oh, so cute. All right, I'm still feeling good. Haven't guessed one at all correctly, but I still feel really good. All right, so what are we missing? We're missing Dragon Devil Bee. Doesn't matter, they all weigh the same. I'm gonna say this one's gonna be Bee Baby. bitch. Okay. Oh my God. I think this is by far one of the fucking cutest little things I've ever seen. Look at him. Oh, he is so cute. Look at that little face. I trust you with all my secrets. I love him. Oh my God, this is so cute. I am so sad that the Beanie Baby people got really mad at this. Like, this is so much fucking cuter than that goddamn platypus Beanie Baby, okay? Please. Please. All right, now we're missing dragon, right? Dragon and devil. This is gonna be my dragon. No, it's my little devil. Okay, the devil is cute. So when I initially purchased them, I purchased the bee and the devil because I thought they were the cutest ones. And then this creeped into my brain because I just kept thinking about it. And I was like, I need them all. And so that's why ultimately I got them. But initially I thought these were the cutest ones until this little guy came into my life. And now you're the cutest one. But no, look how evil he is. This is perfect for me for all the time that I'm evil. I love it. He is so cute. You are so adorable. I love how I'm just yelling into their faces. But look how cute. It's my son. That's my son. All right. I have had shit luck today, but so far roll call, we're pretty much getting them all. If this is not Dragon Baby, I will be so sad. Hold on. Okay. Oh, bitch. Oh, you are aesthetically pleasing. Oh my God. By the way, I don't know what's happening to me, but I have come across aesthetic girl vlogs. I've just found a bunch of girls that all kind of look the same. They're all like thin, dark hair. Maybe sometimes they'll have blonde hair, but usually they're dark hair. Majority of the time they have glasses or they have like fake glasses and they're always drinking matcha. Do you know what I'm talking about? I've landed on that side of YouTube and it is my comfort. Watching that at night, it lulls me to sleep watching some boring girl in the middle of either New York, Canada, or fucking Kansas drink her matcha and journal. Anyway, the aesthetic of this one, immediately I was like, oh my God, I could see this being in one of their rooms. I'm sick as and I need to unplug. But Alex, please tell me you agree, right? That one girl, this looks like something that she would have.
Sure.
Okay, this makes me happy. Okay, first of all, I don't really get dragon so much as cutie. Look at look at this little. Oh, I love the mint green and the peach. That is so pretty. Oh, you are everything. Oh my God. And then for good measures, here's the card. I am so happy that I got the full collection and that there's no dupes, and all my anxiety and fear that I was gonna get them because I received single boxes have melted away because all is right in the universe because I have now the full set of these little beanie flying babies that y'all will probably never ever see unless you go into the bowels of hell, aka eBay, to pick these up. So if you feel so inclined, go for it. Or don't, do whatever the you want, but I'm happy. I feel like this literally made my day exponentially better. So if we're gonna do like a quick rating here, although I feel like I can't, I feel like in good conscience, I can't do that, but I'm gonna have to though, because I feel like I've set a precedence on this channel to do so. My least favorite, Butterfly. He's adorable, don't get me wrong. This little blueberry, I love him, but I hate butterflies, so that's why you're gonna be last. I guess then it would be Cupid. I think this one is really cute. I do like the little light pink, but I think the other ones have so much more detail to them. Yeah, you're just a step above Butterfly, although probably Butterfly should be above you. I think you should probably be number 7. Oh my God, I'm actually gonna do it. Okay, switching number 7 and then number 6, because at least this one actually has more detail than this one. So sorry, Angel. Okay, then we move on to the other little babes. I'm gonna have to say the dragon one because I do love the aesthetic of this one. I think this one's so cute, but I think the other ones just have more detail. The color combination is like fucking sending me, okay? Like, I love this one, but you're gonna be right here. Oh, this is hard because the unicorn is so cute. But the unicorn though, the wings are a little bit lopsided sometimes, so that's why it's gonna go there. Just purely off of physical flaws. I know, I still love you, but you're gonna go there. Then I would kind of say, The devil. The devil is really cute. And I mean, I love his little red fur. I love his little black wings. He looks evil. He looks like me. I love that. But I think the bee one is ultimately the cuter of the two. But number one is this little, oh my, I can't. First of all, his little mask, okay? He's like a little Batman. You're a little crime fighter. I love you. I can't tell if you're gonna be good or bad. And honestly, who cares? You look this cute, you're gonna be always good in my book. So you are number one. Yay! I love this series so much, and I'm so happy that I picked it up and I didn't get scammed on eBay. Anyway, now I'm gonna hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have went to the bowels of hell and have gone blind box hunting. Please let me know because I love hearing from you. And let me know which one is your favorite. And it better be the right one, just saying. I wanna say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces, and I'll see you little garbage cans real soon. Bye.